Hey everyone, it's Kahoob here. Just wanted to make a quick video regarding the Coldcard situation. Basically, what happened is a lot of people's Bitcoin was stolen because Coinkite did on their Coldcards did not generate the seed phrases securely or the way they were supposed to. There was some like bug in the firmware that they missed and should have noticed, and it's been going from 2021 up to now. So if you have any Coldcards that you bought from 2021 to now, especially MK3, MK4, Coldcard Qs or whatnot, I would withdraw your Bitcoin as soon as possible. I know I'm making this video very late, so most of you probably already know about this and have already done so. And if you, hopefully you're not finding out about this from this video because your Bitcoin's probably gone by now, unless you generated the seed phrase rolling dice, or if you have a secure, strong passphrase on your wallet, then you may still have a chance. Anyways, a cold card is still technically safe to use if you use dice to generate your seed phrase, but I would not do that. I would advise against it. I'm definitely never buying a Coinkite product again, and I would highly recommend moving your Bitcoin to a different wallet. Even if technically it's safe or secure in your cold card, I would not trust them, basically. Move it elsewhere. Yeah, I do plan on making a video talking about how to like roll dice and things like that, and how to generate a seed phrase for yourself, so you don't have to basically trust the company that you are like using for your hardware wallet. Mainly because I've been noticing everything going around with this situation. A lot of people are getting from it that it's just an unfortunate situation. And I've been hearing people say basically like these companies just need to learn from it. And they're saying that people should not have to roll dice to generate their seed phrases. And in my opinion, that's kind of a terrible like thing to get from the whole situation. Like that shouldn't be what you learned from what's going on. I mean, personally, what I've learned from the situation is that you should not trust a company to generate your seed phrase for you. The whole thing about Bitcoin is, don't trust, verify. So, I mean, it makes sense to generate your own seed phrase and, do make sure you generate it correctly and not just randomly in your head pick, 12 or 24 words out of the list, because your Bitcoin will definitely get stolen that way. But I mean, I just don't understand the whole situation of people not learning from this. Like they're not definitely not learning from it. Anyways, I don't want to make this video too long, but at the end of the day, make sure you generate your seed phrase using dice, or you can do coin flips too. I'll probably make a video talking about those and how to do that as well. But I mean, yeah, hopefully eventually everyone learns to generate your own seed phrase with like casino dice or whatnot, and to not trust the company to generate the seed phrase for you. All right, that's basically it. And yeah, hopefully some videos will be coming soon regarding how to do all that. All right, see you guys.